Hi guys, today I will be showing you this Stanley 99E utility knife. So I've been using this for many years and it's really dependable and very sturdy. It's metal construction. Then I will show you how to replace a blade in case you need to replace one. So there's a screw here, like a Phillips. You can use a Phillips head or a flathead screwdriver. This time I will use the Phillips. So just be careful. You can see this one, the blade goes out, then push it, it goes in. Okay, so now the blade is in, then you can remove this screw. Once it's fully removed, then you can open the cover. You can slide a little bit to the right, then you can see here's the blade. Okay, so this one is a little bit old but still good. Sometimes if this blade is blunt, then you can just turn the blade on the other direction. You can see this is a bit rusty because it's quite old, so many years. I've been using this for many years now. Just want to show you. See here, so I just turn it, then put it back. You can see there's some slots here for the position. This one. Yeah, like that. So what you can see is this one is you can, when you press, just remove this one for safety. Just want to show you. So if you are pressing this one, then you can release the blade position, then it's going to lock in place. Just press this one, then like that. So it's a different length of blade that's going out. Okay, just put the blade back. Yep, now it's in the right spot. Then I can put this back on. See, it's locking on top. I just open it again just to show you. This part is locking there. Then once it's fully locked, then put back the screw. So it's very easy to replace the blade. Okay, it's fully out, then middle, then in. Okay, so that's it. This is a Stanley 99E utility knife. Okay, thank you for watching.